Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Confidence, where we make learning English fun and simple. In today's video, we'll share daily English sentences that will help you improve your vocabulary and sound more fluent in everyday conversations. Practice these sentences daily and watch your English skills grow. Let's get started. 1. Morning greetings. Good morning. Did you sleep well? What's the plan for today? Let's grab a coffee before we start work. 2. Common questions. Can you help me with this? What time does the meeting start? Where should we go for lunch today? 3. Expressing gratitude. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate your kindness. Thanks a lot. You've made my day. 4. Talking about your day. I had a busy day at work. Let's watch a movie to relax. I'm so tired. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. 5. Asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy? How far is it from here? Is it walking distance, or should I take a cab? 6. Shopping phrases. How much does this cost? Is there a discount available? Can I try this on? 7. Making small talk. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it? How was your weekend? Did you watch the game last night? 8. Apologizing politely. I'm so sorry for being late. I didn't mean to offend you. Please forgive me. My apologies, it won't happen again. 9. Complimenting someone. You look amazing in that outfit. Your presentation was really impressive. You're so talented at what you do. 10. Ending conversations. It was great catching up with you. Let's talk again soon. Take care and have a good day. And that's it for today's video on daily used English sentences to boost your vocabulary. Practice these sentences every day, and you'll not only improve your vocabulary, but also feel more confident using English in real-life situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical English tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.